Chris with Nice Floors. We made this video to show you the different type of transitions that are available for your hardwood floor. We get calls every week. People have all these questions. They're not familiar with the terminologies like baby threshold or stair nose. So we're going to go through that really quickly, and then at the end we're going to talk about custom-made vents to match your hardwood floors. So let's get started. So the first transition we have is called a reducer. A reducer will reduce the height of the wood down to the net or the floor. So I got an example here of just a 5-inch wide piece of wood with a reducer, which is 3/8 tall, but it reduces from the height of the 3/8 floor all the way down to the bottom, like the subfloor height. So if you have a vinyl floor in the kitchen, you want to go from the hardwood down to concrete or hardwood down to vinyl, you want to use a reducer. Okay? The second transition is called a T-mold. A T-mold is just like it sounds. It's shaped like a T, and it has the two sides at the top of the T, and this bridges the two edges of the surfaces together, so you can go from a ceramic to a hardwood floor, or if you're changing colors of hardwood, you go from a hardwood to a hardwood, and the T-mold will rest in between the two. So that's the transition called a T-mold. Then there's also one called a baby threshold. This is where people really get confused. People will call us up and say, I want a threshold. Well, we don't know what you're transitioning to. Or they'll say, I need a transition. We don't know what you're transitioning to. So we got the reducer, we got the T-mold. This is called a baby threshold. This actually sits on top of the floor and gives you an ending of the floor. So that way you can put that up to your carpeting. You can also put this up around a fireplace. You can also put this up at a screened-in or a sliding glass door. So this, wherever you need to end the floor, is where you need to use a baby threshold. The last, but not least, is the stair nose. The stair nose is that top step where you're doing let's say the upstairs, or they're doing that catwalk, and you need a stair nose, so it gives you that rounded edge for the top step. This is also where you can put your banisters on top of this, your spindles. You can actually put this on each individual step, but it's called the stair nose, and this is your ending point where the hardwood goes to the top of the step, or where you're putting this on each step. So that's the stair noses, and now we're going to talk about custom air vents, which really will make your floor look like $1,000,000. So we have a couple companies now that's making customized vents for us. We have what we call drop-in vents. In other words, it's the same height as your floor, so you actually build the floor around your vent. And the nice thing about this is you can pull this out, you can clean inside the air vent, you can set this back in, and furniture can sit on it, and you can actually walk on it. I wouldn't jump on it, but you can at least walk on it. The other type of air vent is what we call a round-over drop-in. A round-over drop-in is rounded over on the sides, and it actually sits on top of your hardwood floors. So we can have those custom-made as well. So we also make the solid vents for unfinished floors, where you can actually stain these up yourselves. They're quite a bit cheaper if you do that. So this is the same type of drop-in air vent, and they also have the round-over vents that are unfinished as well. We carry these in several species, so give us a call and we'll help you through this. Now the last one we're going to talk about is the difference between quarter round and shoe mold. A shoe mold is narrower, it's only a 1/2 inch wide and 3/4 of an inch tall. So this makes you a nice ending transition at your baseboard. Then there's 3/4 round. 3/4 round, we don't usually use this at our shop because it's a little bulky. It's 3/4 of an inch wide, 3/4 of an inch tall, and it looks pretty big on the base of the floor. So we always recommend using shoe mold. And the last thing about shoe mold is most of the manufacturers carry this in stock. If they don't have it, we can have it custom made. Now also you need to know that all the trims come in different sizes from different manufacturers. So give us a call and we'll help you through this process. I hope you enjoyed this video. Got any questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thanks for visiting us at Nicefloors.com.